In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the chat or game balance wheel if it's not working properly on your gaming headset. Whether the wheel isn't adjusting the chat volume, game volume, or isn't responding at all, these troubleshooting steps can help get everything working again. So start by unplugging your headset from your PC, console, or wireless transmitter. Wait a few seconds, then reconnect it securely, and if you're using a wireless headset, turn it off and back on again after reconnecting. Once reconnected, test the chat or game balance wheel to see if it's responding. And then do not forget to check the audio output and communication device. On Windows, right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar and select Sound Settings. Make sure your gaming headset is selected as the default audio output device. And then after that, click More Sound Settings and verify that both the headset speakers and chat device are configured correctly, because many gaming headsets create separate game and chat audio channels, and incorrect settings can cause the balance wheel to stop working. Remember to update the headset drivers and firmware. Visit your headset manufacturer's software application and look for any available firmware updates and install them. Also check the Windows Device Manager for driver updates related to your headset or audio devices. Remember, outdated firmware is a common cause of balance wheel issues. And then do not forget to restart the Windows audio services. Press the Windows plus R button, type services.msc and press enter. What will happen is you need to locate the Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right-click each service and select Restart. And then after that, after restarting the services, test the balance wheel again. And then you need to check the gaming software. Many gaming headsets require companion software such as SteelSeries GG, Logitech, 𝗕𝗵𝗁, Razer, Synapse, Corsair, IQ, or Astro Command Center. So open the software and verify that chat mix or chat or game balance features are enabled and properly configured, and resetting the audio settings with the software can often resolve the issue. And finally, you need to test on another device. If possible, connect your headset to another PC or console. Now, if the chat or game balance wheel works correctly on another device, the problem is likely related to your current system settings. If it still doesn't work, there may be a hardware issue with the headset itself. So these are going to be the most effective ways to fix a chat or game balance wheel that's not working. In most cases, checking your audio device settings, updating firmware, and ensuring separate chat and game channels are configured correctly will solve the problem. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.